What's going on YouTube? Uberman here. So we're going to start this video off by jumping into the Copart auction. I've got a few things that are on my watch list. We're going to see if we can get anything on the cheap today. So let's get started.
This is a hot lot. New bidder. Bonus time. Bonus. Bidder. This is a hot lot. New bidder. New bidder. Sold on approval. Your watch item is next on the block. This is a hot lot. Sold on approval. Sold on approval.
Well, as you can see, we didn't win anything. I tried, but, you know, it's getting into tax time. A lot of people are getting their tax refunds already. So a lot of people are in here bidding for personal vehicles, and those are the people that are going to be bidding a lot more money because they are looking to save money off of retail and even off of regular private party. So in these cases, you're going to get private individuals that come in there. They're willing to pay a lot more than somebody that's trying to make a profit. When you have to make a profit on a vehicle, you've got to bid as low as possible. If you're a private party looking for a good deal on a vehicle, well, you can bid it up and still save a ton of money versus going to a dealership or even places like Craigslist or any of these other places that sell cars. So, it may be a little more difficult to get a good price on a vehicle, but I'm not going to give up. We're going to see what comes up next week. As always, I appreciate you watching, and stay tuned for the next one.